just kidding. Okay, me too. Come right over here.
What? Wow.
Water! Wait.
Came to it, Daddy. Is he going to get it?
Oh no, he got it.
Is he going to get it?
Oh no. What is he doing? It's tiny.
Cuckoo. There's Mitty. She's furious. Hey Mitty, what you doing? No?
She's fearful and she's loud.
Yeah, she's loud like a doodle.
Just subscribe to E&Ms vlogs.
Yeah. There's
And now I will start making a video.
make it fun.
That's a small playing with the Me Too.
There's a Me Too.
Ian!
There's a Me Too. No, Me Too.
Yeah, that's
Where? Now that's where. She's going to feed him. They're fighting over Me Too.
Stop it.
Why don't you feed him?
Yeah, you guys can feed him.
Look, what is he going to do now?
He's gonna get fed by hand.
Yes. Me Too. He's running away. Me Too, Daddy. However, except for feeding him sunflowers, however, we feed him a chili.
Okay.
I love chili. Okay, let's wait for him then. The Mitty. The Mitty's in the wild. And me too. He's a domestic. A little too domestic. Hey, what you doing?
Get the camera to me.
What can you do?
Get the camera
He
to
said
me.
he loves me. What?
Hello. I wish all the keeper of this parrot. My brother.
Annoying parrot.
No. That is what about green? Green.
Jelly.
Okay, so please like, comment, and subscribe. It's going to feed him, but he knows that this is kata. And oh wait, he's eating it. Eat it. Feed him. He's saying it's too big. He can find it. He likes it. He's eating it and he likes it. He's literally eating it. Okay, so please subscribe and like. Hey, this is our Me Too. Don't forget to comment below. Before the Me Too gets angry. Yes. Bye, Me Too. Say bye. Me Too. Yes, guys. Me Too, say bye. Me Too. See? He says goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.